What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we're in Roblox and we're playing APM, which is American Plains Mudding. And they have a lot of tractors, and we're gonna start at the smallest ones all the way to the biggest ones, which the biggest ones I've saved for last. So if you want to see those, watch to the end of the video. So first we're starting with this. The smallest one, the smallest tractor. It actually doesn't look too bad. I mean, not bad. That's the smallest one. Now we're going up to this one. They look almost exactly the same, but you can see differences. Like look at the front of this one. I think that one. This one's. I feel like this one's more detailed. Yeah. Like look at the engine in this one. And this one, like you see the detail difference. And now we're getting to bigger. This is a John Deere. I feel like this one would be more powerful than these. Look at this one and then this one comparison. I mean, maybe this one just has more power or something, but now we have an actual cab. We have Now we're at the medium tractors. So now we're getting to, we have actual cabs. So I'm gonna go inside this one and look at this. We have a whole interior, which these ones are a lot more detailed. And you can hear it. And let's see how fast this one goes. Oh, we got 22 out of this one. So this one is getting faster. And the interior is way more detailed. So yeah, like look at this. Look at the engine. That looks so cool. The detail into these. Wow. Now, look at this. This is another John Deere 4440. And let's get in this one and see. So the interior doesn't look as detailed, but let's see how fast it'll go. Why does this one have so many gears? And it only goes 20. So this one isn't as fast as the last one. But the outside is definitely more detailed. So there's that one, the John Deere. And now we're into this brand that I don't even know. What is this? Is this a real brand of a tractor? The engine looks pretty cool. Now let's check the inside. It's all red. So it's kind of like that tractor, but flips inside out. Like the interior is red and the outside's gray. So this one actually, yeah, it does have more detail to it. Let's see how fast it goes. Oh, it's getting faster. 23. So this is one of the fastest ones we have so far. Yeah, so now we're getting to the big stuff. This is a case tractor. Which look at this. Look how big it is. Can I like look on the interior? I can't really see the engine that good in there. Except for like right there. Well, let's see this. Can I climb up these? No, I can't climb up the steps, but we can get a look at the back. Look at that. Look how much detail there is. And now let's hop in the inside. And this one is a lot louder. Look how many buttons. And we have enough room for a passenger seat. Wow. This is getting really detailed now. And you can even see the little pedals down there and stuff. Now let's see how fast it can go. 28. This is the fastest one we have, which is pretty fast for a tractor. I feel like the bigger we go, the slower it'll go. So I feel like 28 is going to be the fastest one we have. So now, we did all the medium. Let's go to the large tractors. Now we're at the largest tractors. Look how big these ones are getting. Holy. So let's start at the smallest one of the largest. So there's not much detail to this one. Probably because it's bigger. Now let's hop in. And so this is the inside. It doesn't have enough room for a two-seater, but it is getting really big, and there's a bunch of buttons. So, let's see how fast this can go. Oh, whoa. Actually, faster than I thought. Look how this turns. 4-wheel steering. And it actually goes way faster than I thought, so I don't know what brand this one is either. I've never seen this one. Doesn't even have much detail on it. It's just all blue. Now here is a silver and red one. And getting a little bit more detailed with it. Still nothing in the engine. Like, not much detail. In the inside, we actually have more detail. Like, look at this. Still not much detail, but let's see how fast it goes. It's going faster. 24. It's actually faster than last one. It's actually getting faster, and this one doesn't have rear wheel steering. So now let's go into the case, which is actually really detailed. And let's check this one out. This one has a little bit of detail. Let's hop in the interior. I don't think I'll be able to climb up the steps on any of these. Let's get to the interior. Now this is the interior of the case. And we actually have a little screen now. And speakers. There's a radio. And a bunch more buttons down there. And we finally got another seat. Let's see how fast it goes. This one actually doesn't tell me the speed. But it does feel a little faster than the other ones. Now let's get to the biggest one. The John Deere, which 3 tires, 3, 6, 9, 12 tires on one tractor. Who needs 12? And this one is really detailed. Look at the little stickers over there and stuff. Like, you might be able to read them if you zoom in. Then we have a little radio up there, a mirror. This one is probably one of the most detailed ones. Let's see how fast it goes. 23. And it does have rear steering, which that doesn't look normal. I think I just broke a tire. Why does it look like that? Yeah, I better park this before I break it again. Let's go back. This one's actually fast for what it is. Let's park it here. And now let's go to the biggest tractor in the world. Now behind me is the biggest tractor in this game, or I don't know, it might be in the biggest in the whole world, but right behind me, I'm gonna turn around 3, 2, 1. Whoa. It doesn't have 3 tires though, but look at that engine. Look at that. And there's a huge exhaust. Can I stand up here? No, I just fall right through. So this is the interior of the biggest tractor. We don't have a 2-seater, but man, how much power does this thing have? Look at this. There's not many wires for the attaching. This one's not the most detailed one, but this thing looks powerful. The front must be so heavy. Look at that engine. Alright, let's see the top speed of this one. And it's only 19. It's probably because how much weight it is. And it's a little bit, like, for wheel steer. Yeah, a little bit, so. Wow, this is still very big. Like, look at my character compared to the wheel of this. This thing is huge. So this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Bye-bye.